Alright, I'm going to show you now how transforms work in Speedscale. So first step that we want to do is find our application we want to work on, and let's get a little chunk of time where there's not a ton of traffic, so we can quickly get a snapshot created. So we press save, and that kicks off the snapshot creation process. Let's take a look at our traffic here, and I can see kind of a sequence of different calls. What I want to do is every time I log in, I get a new access token. So let me start by taking this access token and saving it into a variable. So I've got a variable option, store this, and a variable called token. Okay, and just creating that, we'll build a little rule here. You can see the rule says on the login endpoint, go to the response body, find the access token, save it to a variable. Now, the reason why I need that is on these other calls, that access token is used. It's an authentication token. So now I want to use it on this call. So I want the new value to be the word bearer followed by the value of that token. So same process, and now I've got two rules. So the login endpoint has a special treatment, and the auth token endpoint has a special treatment. I actually want to change this one because it's not just the auth token, it's basically everything that's not the login call. Everything that's not login should get that rule applied. Okay, now that my transform's set up, let me open one of these, like this user search, which I didn't work on yet. And let me just check the transform list here, and I can see that this transform, the one about replacing the authentication token, it's been applied. So I've got now my set of transforms that I want to use, and that's nice and all, but what if I go and create a new snapshot? How do I get these transforms into the new snapshot? So that's what this Save As Template button is for. So you come in and say, I want to save this. We'll call this the Ken auth transforms. I've now saved those transforms as a template. So if I go back and create a new snapshot, because I've got a new recording from a different period of time, and when I come in and make this new snapshot, from the beginning it won't have the transforms on it yet. So it starts with an empty list. So I can come in here and say apply new transform and pick from my rule, I called it Ken auth transforms here, and hit save, and it will grab those from my library and apply them to this snapshot for me. So I don't have to remember exactly what I did. I don't have to try to click through a bunch of times. So once I've done it once, save it as a template, and then I can use it on later calls.